my channel. Today I wanted to do an office decluttering video for you. Shocker, another decluttering video. This is more of like a rearrange, reorganize type of video, but there are a few things that I declutter out of our home office. So let's jump right into it. This room is pretty much like Ant's space, and clearly it is a mess. Not because of him. This is honestly like, this is all pretty much mine. This is like pretty much all mine. This is mine. This is mine. So I did go through, these are just like paperworks for school and whatnot, miscellaneous paperwork. So I did go through that the other day. So I don't need to go through these. But I kind of want to move this cube into my room, in my beauty room. So I might work on that. I might not like it and I might put it back, but I don't know. We're gonna see. Look at Stella. So we're gonna see. That's his bow. Don't mind that. Like, obviously there's things everywhere. These two bags are donation bags, but Goodwill is not accepting anything at the moment, so we kind of just store them in here. Looks like crap, but nothing I can do about that right now. I always have a bag, always, like, ready to go, ready to donate, because I'm constantly decluttering things. So we kind of just store it in here until I fill it up and go to Goodwill. So definitely check my one Instagram is at Livmjev looks, and that's where I sell a lot of anything I'm getting rid of. Right now I have candles I'm getting rid of, I have clothes, whatever. So make sure you always check that if you're looking to purchase some things. But yeah, so my goal is to just kind of straighten it up, organize a little bit. I'm not really touching any of Ant's stuff. This is like his area, his desk, so I might throw some things on his desk that he can touch and worry about later. But for the most part, just gonna move some things around for myself.
Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than...
Okay, so I kind of hit a slump because I was planning on that fitting in the corner and it does not. So now I'm thinking of moving the mirror to the corner. Oh, I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna play with that. I think I'm gonna put the mirror in this corner and see how that looks. So let's try that.
Friends, and ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me down. Promise you won't let me.
Before I leave it like this, I need to see if the mannequin's even gonna fit in this corner, because it might not.
But sometimes you can't handle your emotions, and I guess that's okay. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to.
I need to go find an extension cord, because if I don't have an extension cord to plug the printer in, then I can't have it in here, so I'll do that. Okay, I found an extension cord. I don't know if it's gonna be long enough, but we're gonna try it out.
I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Yeah. Oh.
on to the actual office now, and you will see me maneuver a lot of things. It was a lot of trial and error. Even right here, I'm like, what do I want to do? So you will see me remove things around this entire time, but don't worry, the end is really satisfying.
To think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. We have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, 'cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two,
is the final outcome of the office. It's obviously not beautiful, and that's perfectly fine. We don't have, you know, a lot of space. I think if our basement was finished, we'd be able to like store more down there, but I will tell you what I did. So over in this corner, this is kind of like my crafting little section. So I don't really like to have anything on top of here, because when I am cricketing or laminating something, I need like this whole space. So I have a couple things here like my laptop, planner, and extra wipes, but that doesn't stay there. So I just figured I like this space clean, so I really wanted to clear it off. And then let me show you what's inside the drawers as well. Inside this drawer, it looks messy, but I swear it's actually organized. This is all my Cricut vinyl. So I have like a pack of black, a pack of white, a pack of mixed. So literally this is all Cricut vinyl. I have my transfer tape. These are my mailers. So when I go to mail out a package, like when I mail out a Young Living welcome package, or if I sell something like clothes online, I will mail them out. So I just bought like a big pack of these off Amazon. This is my DNA kit. I did Ancestry.com, and I don't even know if I need this anymore, but I'm just gonna hold on to it just to be safe for a little while, even though I got my results. And then these are all my Cricut mats. So you guys saw me unpack a brand new pack that I forgot I had because it was like hidden behind the shelves over in that corner. So I unpacked that, threw out my old one that I've been using for years now, and got fresh ones. So that's what's in this drawer here. And then in this drawer, I have just like some envelopes, a pen, pencil, stamps. These are all folders. I love like pretty folders, so I have like a bunch of them. And then I actually have a binder under here, which I really don't use, but it's from when I taught. It's from when I was a long-term substitute teacher, and I kept all the materials together. So that's for another day. Mailing out. So I pretty much keep those pretty organized and straight to the point. And then under here, I know these are so ugly, but like I said before, this is all my paperwork. So I have a lot of like extra lesson plans or handouts, worksheets, stuff like that, and then other just like important paperwork. So basically down here is all like teaching stuff. And then this one is like my master's, my car paperwork, my previous taxes, like all the important annoying paperwork that you have to keep. So we're just gonna store that under there. And then this corner is not beautiful, but you know what? It's clean and it's cleared out, so that's fine. So this is a bin that has some of Ant's baseball clothes in it, so he just keeps them in there. And then like I said before, these are all things that I will bring to the Goodwill or something if I don't sell them. So that looks awful, but it won't stay like that. And then obviously a trash can. And then I didn't really clean up or like get rid of any of Ant's stuff. Like I said before, I don't really want to touch it. He doesn't really want me touching his stuff. So all I really did is kind of just like wipe down the desk and clear it off a little bit. But for the most part, I kept everything the same. The only thing I really did was he had binders like underneath his desk. So I just put them on the shelf. That way they're all together and kind of straightened that up a bit. And then I condensed his things, so everything that's loose, that doesn't really have a home, is now living in that little bin under his desk. So that is the office. It actually is a lot more cleared out. It's not beautiful. Eventually we will paint in here, I think, but for now, at least it's more clean. And I'm glad that I got rid of the little rack that was here, because that thing was, oh my god, it's so old. I mean, I'm gonna store it in the basement just to have, but that thing was just collecting so much stuff, and it was nice to have because like it stored things. But yeah, it was just like if you walked by it, you just threw something on it. It was like a catch-all, so wanted to make sure that I got rid of that. And then I kind of showed you guys a little bit in here, but this is what we have going on. So I just moved this in here, and these are like books, a steamer, you know, nothing really pretty, but whatever, it works for now. And then everything that was on that tall rack I threw in here. So these are like school supplies, and in here are a couple more school supplies, like my teaching portfolio, extra binders, wedding planner, that kind of stuff. So we condensed everything in there, thank God. So we have some more room. I really don't like the way this looks, but When Aunt gets home, I think I'm gonna ask him if we have like a different type of extension cord, so I don't have to have it looking like that. But for now, that's all I could find, so it works. That is everything, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this office decluttering video. It feels so much better to have space in there and have a lot of the junk gone. So if you liked this video, please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure that you hit that notification bell so that way you get notified of every future upload of mine. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!